Okay, this is experimenting with a different way to make a video of me talking about your mistakes. So the first mistake is an important one in exams in general, that if in the question it says the internet, then that's telling you that it's the internet, not internet without the article. So you should use the internet throughout. So there are quite a number of mistakes where you've put internet and it should be the internet. The capitalization of internet, I don't feel very strongly about that. The first sentence didn't have a verb, so the internet is completely involved in our lives, or our lives depend on the internet, something like that. Absolutely, well, it's a spelling mistake. And impossible is another spelling mistake. But much more important is that nowadays is impossible is a basic error. You've got to have nowadays it is impossible to live without the internet. And instead of repeating the word internet immediately, you could just use the pronoun. It is a tool that enables us to do more work, that allows us to do more work, that helps us to do more work. All of those would be possible. Yeah. Now there's a problem here with more work and better work, because in Spanish the adjective goes after the noun, but in English it goes before the noun. So to do more and better work would be one way, or more emphatic, to do more work and better work. It's more emphatic. And no muy lejos, you can't really say that in English. I just say, well, for example, you can learn, spelling mistake again, languages like English. When you're giving examples, like is good, such as is the other possibility. Languages such as English, or languages like English. Now, it's more easily. Yeah, easily is the adverb. Comparatives with practically all adverbs is more beautifully, more cheaply, than in the past. The internet puts, internet is third person singular, puts in your hand a lot of tools that you could never have imagined before. Now that's trying to get a could, but in the past. I could have imagined this. No, I could never have imagined this before. Okay, for example, you've used again there. You have platforms like Edmodo. Once again, to give examples, it's like or such as, and which enable you to keep in touch. The same word, enable you to or allow you to, and always stay connected 24 hours a day. I think that is the best order there. Another advantage is personal things is that the internet also improves third person singular. So years ago, when a good friend left their city, obviously years ago must go with the past. You probably lost touch. Lost is the past as well, and the position of probably is there. You probably lost touch. You will probably lose touch in the future very easily. The superlative is not very. It's very easily. You can speak to him or her, of course, every day. Also, you can see them every day. So maybe them would be better. That speak to them every day, and also you can see them every day. We use them quite often when it's not specifically a man or a woman. A very good tool that can help you. You don't repeat the subject, it, and it's not than, it's that, that can help you to improve your skills in your personal life. Life is the noun. Or at work. Okay, well, I hope it all helps, and why not post a corrected version.